Now that you get to navigate university life, you'll also need to navigate the campus and the city. So to help you out, I asked some of our STAR students about their favorite spots for a variety of scenarios you'll probably find yourself in. Like, where should I make friends on campus? Good thing there's a space for everyone.
Probably the Black student space. Like this last year, I spent most of my time there. It's kind of my safe space. Like if I want to just relax, I want to lie down, I want to do some homework.
The CCS building, the Creative and Critical Studies building, specifically for the FINA Gallery. The students on our campus are just so creative. It's like mind-boggling. It's like, oh my gosh, how did you think of putting this to paper?
The hangar, it's not even close. I'm there like 50% of the time. I feel like I'm its biggest ambassador because like you can't really find anywhere in Kelowna that's like gonna have the prices that they have here.
And when your friend group forms, you can be the one who knows all the best spots to build core memories.
The McCurdy Bowling Centre, mostly because I've had so many good memories out there. What do we do this Saturday, or what can we get up to? It's bowling.
I definitely like Scandia. There's a lot of fun arcade games you can play there, and mini golfing is great, and go-kart. Laser tag, which is really fun. Experience escape room is really fun. It's great to go on birthdays especially, since you can get discounts.
Sometimes you might need a place to clear your mind, whether that's with a friend or you're recharging on your own.
Definitely like City Park. I find that, like, it's very accessible, especially if you're a student and you like to use transit. If I'm just having a day where I just want to go on a walk, I can chill in the park. There's also the beach. There's also so much that happens on the waterfront. So if you're like a people watcher like myself, I love to just sit and like watch what's going on.
Without a doubt, would probably have to be the city park, the basketball court downtown near the beach. Personally, I love that place because it forces me to go outside because the gym, over the summer, the gym's always booked and it's so annoying, but it's whatever. Parlor, like that's the only place I can like consistently get like nice salted caramel ice cream.
The Kelowna Art Gallery, I think genuinely anytime I feel maybe just a little burnt out or just needing a little bit of creativity in my life, that's the best place.
Montana's, because of their ribs. There's certain people that are gonna see this and they're gonna be like, we already know this.
Okay, now it's time to get serious and lock in. Here are the best on-campus options.
The EME Collegiate space, it's really great to study with friends.
Definitely the Arts Atrium. I think that's such a classic, but also, if you know, you know. I want to feel like I'm outside, but also it might be a little cold. But I also need to get work done and I need it to be quiet. Oh, it's almost like we have one spot that has all of those things, and it's the Arts Atrium.
The Science Atrium, I enjoy playing stone chess. Even though I've only been there like once or twice.
And when you need a little reward, here are the places you can grab a study snack.
2 is the UNC Food Court. There's lots of great meal options.
I think 90% of people can catch me at Comma. Literally, always there. I love trying out the new coffees. I'm just a loyal customer. They have in me for life, honestly.
The thing is, every day is kind of about finding your own place in the world. Not to get too philosophical, but this is a good start for now. Tum est, it is yours.